Hello, welcome back to Get English Can. Today we are going to learn about the states of India and their capitals. Here are the 28 states, but today we are talking about 14 states. And first of all, there are Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Simla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru or Bangalore, Kerala, Tiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai. So, learn this and enhance your general knowledge. So, like, shares, and subscribes. And thank you so much.